On a crucial day for La Familia Logistics and Shuttles, an important delivery is underway. The Peugeot Boxer Panel van is on the road, carrying a package of highly important documents. As the van navigates the city streets, the driver notices a suspicious Golf Mk4 in pursuit. Realizing the threat, the driver quickly alerts the team. The call goes out and the BMW E36 Convertible is dispatched to assist. The high-speed chase unfolds on the highway. The Peugeot Panel van performs rapid lane changes and weaves through traffic, trying to shake off the relentless pursuer. At a stop sign, the Peugeot Panel van meets the BMW E36 Convertible. In a swift and seamless move, the package is transferred to the BMW E36, and the Peugeot van continues to lead the Golf Mk4 on a wild goose chase. The Golf Mk4, now chasing an empty van, falls into a trap. The police, having been alerted by La Familia, set up a roadblock on the highway and successfully apprehend the Golf Mk4.
Ish.
With the threat neutralized, the BMW E36 Convertible and the Peugeot Panel van meet once more. The important documents are returned to the van, and it resumes its journey. Finally, the Peugeot Boxer Panel van reaches its destination and delivers the crucial documents safely and successfully. La Familia Logistics and Shuttles has once again ensured a flawless delivery, thanks to teamwork and quick thinking.